Hey guys, this is Mike the Scrapper. Today we're going to scrap an Apple G3 tower. First, I'm going to remove the RAM. Now I'm going to remove the CPU. Now I'm removing the video card. Now this appears to be a connection for the mouse and keyboard. Now I'm getting ready to remove the motherboard. Now I'm removing the power supply. To get to the disk drive, I have to remove this paneling. Now this is a piece of metal. I'm not sure if it's non-magnetic stainless steel or if it's aluminum, but we'll check back later. Now that I've finished removing everything from the computer, let's get back to this piece of metal. Now we're going to give this piece of metal the grinder test. If the metal sparks, it's non-magnetic stainless steel. If it doesn't spark, that means the metal is made of aluminum. No sparks. That means this is aluminum. And this is what's in an Apple G3 tower. Alright guys, this is Mike the Scrapper. Please comment, like, subscribe. Till then guys, peace!